What is going on today, guys? I'm back with another video for you guys. This topic is also going to be about my 2004 F-250. In the last video that I made, there was a massive puddle of coolant under my truck. All this under my truck, it's all coolant. Woo! And I'm basically parking it for a while until I get the money to figure out what I'm doing here. Because, okay, see this puddle right here? That it's leaking from the head gasket. Let me get a flashlight. Right up there. If you can see that. Yeah, that's all coolant. I guess that's just one of the problems of owning a older pickup truck. Yeah. So anyway, I don't want to keep you guys too long, but stay tuned for the next one, I guess. So, alright, bye-bye.